This episode is sponsored by Goodyear. Goodyear is here to help last mile fleets achieve total mobility from the first mile to the last. That means the trusted products to help your fleet get longer wear and better fuel economy, a nationwide premier service network to support your fleet at every turn, and complete tire management to help detect and prevent issues before they happen. To discover how your last mile fleet can achieve total mobility, schedule a consultation today.
Welcome to this week's Top Truck News Recap from Truck Chat. I'm Lauren Fletcher, Executive Editor of Work Truck, here to share a few highlights from May 14th through May 20th of 2022. Can you believe it? It's the 50th episode of Truck Chat. Thanks to everyone here with me from the start, and welcome to all of our new viewers. I'm grateful you're listening in. If you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that button and remember to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a single episode. Starting off with tech news this week. Samsara and Whiparound have partnered up to help reduce fleet emissions and improve fuel efficiency. Samsara's Connected Operations Cloud enables businesses to harness IoT data from vehicles, equipment, and warehouses. Whiparound is a fleet maintenance software solution that connects drivers, mechanics, and fleet operators to improve uptime. When the two systems are connected, odometer and engine hour readings are automatically pulled into Whiparound from Samsara. This ensures customers never miss preventive maintenance schedules to ensure reduced downtime and improved fuel efficiency. Sail Energy has been using the combo system on its 132 vehicle and equipment fleet to control fuel costs by reducing excessive idling time and deploying preventive fleet maintenance measures to improve fuel efficiency. Looking toward maintenance-related news this week, Ford announced the launch of the Ford Certified Glass Network. Original equipment windshields and glass are built and tested to function as part of a system, providing structural support in an accident and promoting clear, undistorted vision for advanced driver assistance systems, such as lane keeping, pre-collision assist and automatic braking, evasive steering assist, and auto high-beam headlamps. To help ensure that Ford Certified Glass installers are prepared to meet requirements for quality glass installation, the Ford Certified Glass Network will require certification that an installer has the glass calibration capabilities to do the work. Benefits to the certified installer include access to technical repair procedures, calibration coaching, and technical hotline support. Ford also offers process coaching for the installation. Mack Trucks made two announcements this week related to its refuse truck program. First, the truck maker launched the Electrify My Refuse Route program, a campaign that rewards customers for sharing their refuse routes to prepare the fleet's readiness for the Mack LR electric refuse vehicle. Through the Electrify My Refuse Route program, customers download the Mack Route Recorder app to receive up to $750 in Mack Parts reward cards for sharing valid refuse collection routes. Customers who then purchase or lease the Mack LR electric refuse vehicle can receive $25,000 for charging hardware reimbursement and $10,000 in additional charging reimbursements for each further vehicle purchased. In addition, Mack also announced that the Sensata Technologies Preview Multi-Sensor Collision Warning System is now available for order on the Mack LR Electric, and Mack Terra Pro models. Sensata uses 4 radar sensors, one on the front, one on the rear, and one on each side of the vehicle to detect objects and vulnerable road users that may be located in a driver's blind spot. Vulnerable road users are pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists. The Preview radar system is available as an option and is factory installed on new builds. Customers may also retrofit their trucks with the system by contacting their local Mack dealer. In additional automaker news, EAVX REE Automotive announced the company's new fully electric walk-in van prototype will begin customer evaluation this summer. The Class 5 vehicle debuts the EAVX body design powered by REE's modular P7 platform, making it the first fully drive-by-wire walk-in van on the market, according to a company statement. Evaluations of the new electric walk-in van will take place over several weeks in the Detroit metropolitan area. The pre-booked event will allow pipeline customers across retail, delivery, and logistics segments to experience the vehicle, its technology, and secure production capacity on the path for 2023 deliveries. The walk-in van body is new, ground-up development and will be showcased for the first time on the REE P7 platform, which was unveiled in January 2022. The platform is intended to power Class 3 through 5 vehicles with payloads of up to 8,800 pounds and a range of 370 miles. REE also announced progress this week toward commercial production, having proven its robotic assembly capabilities. REE plans to implement the cloud-based robotic assembly lines at its network of highly digitalized global manufacturing plants, with the first in its European Integration Center in Coventry, UK. REE's Coventry Integration Center will serve customer demand in Europe with an initial focus on the P7 electric platform for commercial vehicles, such as walk-in delivery vans, buses, and recreational vehicles. The Coventry site will also operate as the blueprint for all future REE integration centers, with an expected capacity of 10,000 vehicle sets, 40,000 REE corners. This year, the North American Integration Center in Austin, Texas, is expected to double global capacity to 20,000 vehicle sets in 2023 by replicating the highly automated cloud-based architecture of its European sibling. And looking at utility fleet news this week, Terex Utilities announced that it will debut an all-electric bucket truck on a Class 6 through 7 medium-duty chassis at the Electric Utility Fleet Managers Conference in Williamsburg, Virginia in June. A Terex Optima 55-foot aerial device, powered by the high-power Smart PTO by Viatec, is now available on an International EMV Series battery electric 33,000-pound GVWR chassis from Navistar. The Terex Optima 55-foot aerial mounted on the International EMV Series is a 60-foot working height aerial commonly used for electric distribution line work. It has a 135-mile driving range and the ability to operate the bucket for a full workday on a single charge. Deliveries of the Terex Optima 55 EMV series begins in June. For utilities looking to replace their medium-duty fleets with zero-emissions equipment, some availability remains for orders in 2022. And we're also continuing to update the list of vehicle video walkarounds that were shot on-site at Work Truck Week 2022. Even if you were available to attend the show in person, there's always so much to see, it's unlikely anyone caught it all. Let us walk you around the new and updated trucks you may have missed. We have walkarounds from International, Kenworth, Mack, Ford, Kinedyne, Ram, Isuzu, Blue Arc, and Chevrolet ready to watch, with more being posted every week. Check out these videos to learn more about the trucks that matter to your fleets, and stay tuned as we continue to add more videos to help you make the right purchasing decisions. Thanks for listening to this week's episode of Truck Chat. And remember, if you want more, head on over to worktruckonline.com to subscribe for our newsletters, check out our YouTube channel, subscribe to our podcasts, and follow us on your favorite social platform so you never miss a thing.